The game Gregarious needs 4 players sitting on each side of a table to play. The players' seating are named as East, South, West, and North. Each play of a game starts from a dealer, and players take turns to act as a dealer in counterclockwise order. In the beginning of each play, dealer rolls dice to determine each player's position and bonus number. Position and bonus number are the bases to earn bonuses, and they are shown on the position indicator. Before distributing cards to players, dealer requests player at East position complete a cut action, and then takes specific cards out off the top of the deck of the cards to form a frozen deck, which will not be played. Then, in counterclockwise order and starting from dealer, dispenses cards to each player, places the rest of the cards as the opportunity deck on the table to let players draw. In each play, the goal for players is to declare a win. To declare a win, it is basic that a player needs to accomplish a complete hand. A complete hand is accomplished when the required melds and a pair are successfully formed. A pair is defined as any 2 cards with identical marking. A meld can be a straight meld or an identical meld. Straight meld is 3 cards of a suit formed in sequences of ascending. Identical meld is a set of cards with identical marking. It can be triplet identical meld formed by 3 cards, or quadruplet identical meld formed by 4 cards. The game Gregarious can be played as 10 cards game, 13 cards game, or 16 cards game. It is recommended that beginners play 13 cards game. In the beginning of a play, dealer dispenses each player 10 cards for 10 cards game, 13 cards for 13 cards game, or 16 cards for 16 cards game. Therefore, to accomplish a complete hand, each player needs to form 3 melds and a pair for 10 cards game, 4 melds and a pair for 13 cards game, 5 melds and a pair for 16 cards game. Now let's take a look at the examples of a complete hand. For 10 cards game, player needs to form 3 melds and a pair. For 13 cards game, player needs to form 4 melds and a pair. For 16 cards game, player needs to form 5 melds and a pair. There is always one more card needed to form required melds and a pair. For example, players initially receive 16 cards in a 16 cards game. To accomplish a complete hand, player needs one more card to form 5 melds and 1 pair. If a winner gets the one more card discarded by a player, it is called done. The player who discards the card has to pay the winner. If a winner gets the one more card by drawing from the opportunity deck, it is called bingo. All other players have to pay the winner. By drawing a card, dealer starts a play. Players take turn in counterclockwise drawing cards. Drawer may keep the card and discard another in hand, or simply discard the card drawn. A discarded card can be eaten by next player only. However, every player may match a card discarded. If the card needed to accomplish a complete hand is shown, winner has priority to take in the card and declares a win. Because of the priority of the actions, the flow of a play comprises conditional looping steps as shown. The player who discards the card is obligated to give payout, and winner is entitled to receive payoff. If winner declares a win as bingo, all three players have to pay winner. Pay calculation is based on the base pay plus bonuses earned in the play. Base pay is the minimum charge for a win, and it is predetermined by players. Bonuses can be earned by winner's luck, tactics, and patterns of cards, and they are categorized as lucky bonuses, tactics bonuses, suit pattern bonuses, and hand pattern bonuses. When a dealer wins, or a play is tied, the dealer keeps acting as a successive dealer of next play. It is called successive 1 when dealer first time becomes a successive dealer of next play. Successive 2 when dealer second time becomes a successive dealer of next play, and so forth. Next player is the player sitting on right. A dealer position is end when any other player wins the play. Then, the next player of a dealer becomes the dealer of the next play. In brief, the game Gregarious is comprised of rounds. The number of round of playing is discretionally determined by players. A round is comprised of plays. It ends at the time that all players have in turns acted as a dealer. A play starts when dealer shuffles cards. It ends when a win is declared or there is a tie. Round starter acts as a dealer to begin the first play of each round. A round ends at the time that all players have in turns acted as a dealer. Therefore, in a round, the number of play can be 4 or more. To facilitate the game, rounds are named and played in the order of East Round, South Round, West Round, and North Round, which are controlled by the Position Round indicator card, or named and played in the order of British Pound Round, US Dollar Round, Euro Round, and Japanese Yen Round, which are controlled by the Money Round indicator card. It is important to remember which round it is because it determines the prevailing round bonus. Based on the time they have, players should predetermine how many rounds they will play. It is not ruled that players have to at least play 4 rounds or a multiple of 4. For example, if players determine to play 2 rounds, they may play in the order of East Round and South Round, or in the order of Pound Round and Dollar Round. When the South Round or Dollar Round is over, it is the end of the game. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the game Gregarious.